friends and family of me. Right now, you're gonna see how well I am good at cooking and how spectacular I am. Because, you know, I passed my family consumer science. Barely. I'm gonna stop diddle-daddling and head right into the video. We're making a Cheerdelli chocolate Cheerdelli chocolate triple fudge, because we love a sister triple fudge. Hold on. Sorry. So right now, I got my bag, and
I'll get that later, Mom, okay?
So now I'm just gonna sister snip. Oh my gosh, that was so good. I'm gonna sister snip. Hold on, you're supposed to get like me, like show my facial expressions and stuff. You know, this isn't a real cooking show. What are you doing? Okay, so now I'm gonna dump this in, I think. Yeah. So, okay. Oh, I need the directions. I'm now going to get 1/4 cup of water. You need 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, and 1 egg, which I have. Do I just use cold?
Oops, that's a little sister much. That's sister.
Now I'm just gonna dump it. Now I got vegetable oil. None of this is sponsored, but if you want to sponsor me, that'll be spectacular. Don't. Come on. Come. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. That's beautiful. Quality content. My mom told me to use a wooden spoon, but here we are rebellious teens, you know what I mean?
Put the egg in.
I knew that. I was just pretending. Now, this gives me such anxiety. Oh, I can just put it in here so I don't have to waste my energy walking to the trash can. Now, I'm gonna whip.
Don't forget the fudge pack.
I knew that. I was pretending I didn't. You gotta be suspenseful if you want to be in the YouTube career, Mom. Wait, what? Maybe I should use a spoon. We're not rebellious anymore. I mean, we are in my country, but no, I'm just okay. Which one should I use? This one?
Mhm.
So I got a spoon and I put in this fudge stuff, and I got the spoon because my mom said I should. And what is this, bruh? What you doing? What's cracking, bruh? How you living?
What is going on?
Okay, now my mom. What the heck is all greasy now?
It's called greasing the pan so it doesn't stick.
Now I'm gonna pour it in here. Whoa.
Get the down shot. No, you're not gonna get the camera. I need to get Uncle Mike. It's a great shot. That's what they all say. That's what failures.
Look at all the brownie going into the pan.
Stop!
Looks delicious.
Stop.
I'm gonna eat it with some ice cream later. You're so annoying.
It's funny because my mom is pretending to be funny and nice, but in reality, she's mean. Okay, no hate comments because it was a joke. Here's proof of my mom cackling. I don't know how to explain what I'm doing, so right now I'm just spreading the brownies all over the pan. So now that I have everything all Gucci, how was your life, you know? Just, yeah.
So crazy.
So, I'm just gonna prop this bad boy open. Why is it so hot? Obviously, you didn't pass family consumer science because an oven is hot. Ah, I'm scared. Do I put oven mitts on? No, do I just slide it in? Okay. Like I slide into Grayson Dolan's DMs, but he doesn't answer me. He doesn't know we're best friends. Stop, Mom! It's not quality content. I'm being serious. Stop. Now what do I do?
You should have read the directions. Now you see how long it has to go in for, and you set the timer on the microwave.
I don't know what pan size it is. Fine, you do it.
Timer. I think you should have stopped at the brownies and be like, okay, well, see you in 40 minutes, and then show the brownies when they're coming out.
I don't care about views. I only care about the party. Okay.
So my arm's getting tired.
You are? Okay. So the brownie box was wrong, and it was like 10 minutes something. Yeah, over 10 minutes. But
It took 30 minutes instead of 40 minutes.
okay, it took. I've never done this before. I didn't.
Just mess up.
Stop. And that is how you make friggin' boxed brownies with me.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh my gosh, I got a fart. Do but you but do 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 do.
Do clickbait. Oh my gosh. My mom's cleaning up dog poop.